In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off the LED lights on your PC. If the RGB lighting on your PC is too bright, distracting, or simply not your style, the good news is that most gaming PCs allows you to disable the LED lights completely. Let's begin. Now, the first method that you should do is use your motherboard software, because most modern motherboards include software that controls RGB lighting. So you have like ASUS Aura Sync, MSI Center, Gigabyte Control Center, and ASRock Polychrome Sync. All I have to do is go to your motherboard's RGB software, navigate to the lighting or RGB section, and if you find it, select the device you want to control. All I have to do is choose the off, dark, or set the brightness to 0. Apply and save your settings. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing that you can try is disabling the RGB through the BIOS or UEFI. Many motherboards allow RGB directly from the BIOS. So all I have to do is simple. Restart your PC and press delete, F2, or the key shown during startup to enter BIOS. Once you are on the BIOS, look for settings such as RGB lighting, LED lighting, Aura lighting, Mystic Light, RGB Fusion, and if you found it, set the lighting option to disabled. Okay? And then save changes and exit and try to restart your PC. Another option that you can look into is turning off the RGB on specific components. Now, let me tell you this. Many RGB fans connect to a dedicated RGB controller or hub. Now, all I have to do is open the RGB controller software, set the lighting to off, and then if you are using a physical controller, press the lighting button until the LEDs turn off. Now, if you are using an RGB RAM, you can use a software such as Corsair iCUE or G-Scale, Trident Z Lighting Control, or Kingston Fury Control that can be used to disable RAM lighting. And then another option that you can look into, and this is very popular right now, is using the graphics card RGB. Many manufacturers often provide dedicated software, which is also tied in disconnecting the RGB cable. If software controls are unavailable, shut down the PC, turn off the power supply, which I always do, open the side panel, locate the RGB cable connected to the motherboard or RGB hub. Disconnect the RGB connector while leaving the fan power cable connected. What will happen is the fans will continue spinning, but the LED's light will remain off. And then if all else fail, you might want to make sure to shut down the LEDs. Turn off the RGB when the PC is shut down, because some motherboard keep LEDs on even after shutdown. To disable this, you need to enter the BIOS. Find the settings such as LED in sleep, hibernate, and soft off states, RGB and S5 state, Aura off during shutdown. Disable the option, save and start. Now, let me tell you this. The easiest way to turn off PC LED lights is through your motherboard's RGB software or the BIOS setting. If that doesn't work, you can disable lighting on individual components or disconnect the RGB cables entirely. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to disable the RGB lighting on your PC. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.